Hello, and welcome to your daily AI news update. Today is Monday, November 3rd. I'm Isabella Yuha, here to share the latest in artificial intelligence in the simplest way possible. Let's dive into what's been happening in the exciting world of AI. First up, in conversational AI, OpenAI recently updated its ChatGPT to better handle sensitive conversations, especially those about mental health. They worked with many experts to help the AI recognize distress and guide users toward real-world support, significantly reducing risky responses. This means that when you talk to an AI chatbot about personal or difficult feelings, it's becoming more understanding and responsible. It aims to be a safer space and can even point you to professional help if needed. Next, in generative AI for design, Adobe just introduced a new conversational AI assistant in its Adobe Express design platform. This tool lets you create or change design projects simply by describing what you want in everyday language. If you've wanted to create a nice social media post or flyer but found design software tricky, this is for you. You can now tell the AI your vision, and it helps bring it to life, making professional-looking creative work accessible to everyone. Moving to image AI, Canva launched an important new AI model that fixes common problems with AI-generated images, like odd hallucinations or mistakes. It also lets you easily select and directly edit specific parts of those AI-created pictures. For anyone creating images with AI, this means your pictures will be more accurate and easier to fix. You'll have more control, making your creative projects smoother and more precise. Also in generative AI, a company called Womp recently unveiled a new tool that can create 3D models from simple text descriptions or images. What's even cooler is that you can then order a physical 3D print of your design directly through their website. Imagine having an idea for a unique item. Now, an AI can help design it in 3D, and you can get it physically made. This makes creating physical objects much more accessible. Finally, a big update from the world of AI infrastructure. Tesla announced it is rapidly developing its own powerful AI chips called AI5, AI6, and AI7. These specialized chips are designed to power their self-driving cars and Optimus humanoid robots. By making its own chips, Tesla aims for more control over the brains of its advanced technology. This could lead to faster improvements in self-driving features and more capable robots. That's it for now. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Isabella Yuha, helping people feel confident with new technology.